Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sander. Enjoy mo lang yung araw na to. Happy day. Stay healthy palagi. Stay kind. Stay happy. Ano pa ba? Saka na yung... Yes, may panregalo kasi pinag-iipunan ko pa naman. Yun lang naman. Happy birthday, Sander. Yes.
Hello, Sander. Happy birthday. I just want to say that kaya mo yan palagi and hoping all your wishes will be heard. Please enjoy your special day and more blessings will come to your way. And if possible, stay positive palagi. And don't pressure yourself. Always take care din, bestie.
Hi BFF! Happy birthday! Keep slaying!
Hi Sanduro, happy birthday sa'yo. So, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is for you to stay pretty, stay slayable, and stay confident as always. And stay who and what you truly are. And wag na wag kang magda-doubt sa self mo kasi isipin mo man na hindi mo kaya, pero lagi mong tatandaan na maraming tao yung nagtitiwala sa'yo. And huwag kang matatakot mag-try ng mga bagong bagay kasi dun ka mas mag-grow. Yun lang be, good luck on your junior high school journey pa. Malayo na pero malayo pa. So, pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging honor student mo, di ba, with high nga. And huwag kang ma-disappoint sa sarili mo. Normal lang naman na mag-fail, pero tandaan mo na yung failure na yon is pwede mo siyang gawing stepping stone para mas galingan pa sa mga susunod. So, yun lang, Sander. Stay healthy and stay safe. I love you.
Happy birthday, Sander. I hope you're doing well and also enjoy your day and hoping na mas mag-aral ka pa ng mabuti gaya ng ginagawa mo ngayon. You know how much I love you, Sander. Keep safe and again, happy birthday from Ma'am Joey.
Happy birthday sa pinakamaganda kong estudyante sa grade 8, Sander. Happy birthday. I wish that you continue to study hard and work hard and to always give time on studying, and may your dreams all come true, and of course always pray and enjoy your day. I love you, Bunso.
Happy birthday! Smile always and be positive. Kung ano man ang problema ay laging humingi ng tulong sa Diyos. God bless your studies and your whole life. Again, happy birthday, Sander, and God bless.
Happy birthday, Sanduro! Mag-iingat ka palagi at mas lalo pang galingan sa pag-aaral. I am always proud of you. If kailangan mo ng kausap, huwag kang mahiyang magsabi sa akin. I'm still your mother kahit na hindi na akong advisor mo next school year. Wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and wonderful memories. May the Lord continue to bless and guide you. Enjoy every moment of your special day. Love, lots!
Hi ate kong OA. Happy birthday te. Paranda ka na ng paranda. Buhay ka te hanggat gusto mo. Love you. Enjoy your day te. Mahal na mahal kilang OA ka.
Hi Sander, happy birthday. You know, it feels like we know each other for much longer than we actually have. And who knew that a jeepney ride could lead to such a special friendship. Maybe we're not close enough para bumati sa'yo because we only met once, but who knows, malay natin magkita-kita ulit tayo sa unexpected way. Tapos kasama si Pansoy, you know, maybe hindi mo kilala yung tao sa likod ng balls nito, but I'm wishing you a fantastic birthday filled with joy, laughter, and all the things you love. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you. Kantahan ko siya like, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Sander. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Hello, Bunso Koy! Happy birthday! Surprise, anak! Thank you for always making mommy proud, anak. Thank you so much. I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, anak ko.
Hello, Sander. Happy birthday. Stay nice and always make your mama proud of you. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, anak. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.